this video we will discuss periodicity of properties. Let's see what is the definition of periodicity of properties. Repetition of similar properties with regular intervals in the periodic table are called periodicity of properties. Repetition of similar properties with regular intervals in the periodic table are called periodicity of properties. We know horizontal rows of periodic table are known as periods, while the vertical columns of periodic table are known as groups. We will see the periodic table and we will see the periodicity of properties. These are the horizontal rows of periodic table. Horizontal rows of periodic table are known as periods, while vertical columns of periodic table they are known as groups. We know there are 7 periods in the periodic table and 8 vertical columns are present, which are known as groups. Elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic number in the periodic table. The first period contains 2 elements, that is hydrogen and helium. Second period is started from lithium and ended up neon. Now the third period, which is started from sodium, if we see the valence shell electronic configuration of sodium, it is similar with lithium. Sodium has 1 electron in its valence shell, likewise lithium. Similarly, if we see the second magnesium in the second period of the periodic table, valence shell electronic configuration of magnesium is similar with beryllium. Both have 2 electrons in their valence shell. Similarly, valence shell configuration of aluminium is similar with boron. Aluminium has 3 electrons in its valence shell, likewise boron. Electronic configuration of carbon and silicon, their valence shell electronic configuration is similar. Both have 4 electrons in their valence shell. Similarly, phosphorus has 5 electrons in its valence shell, likewise nitrogen. Sulfur has 6 electrons in its valence shell, likewise oxygen. Chlorine has 7 electrons in its valence shell, just like fluorine. And argon has 8 electrons in its valence shell, just like neon. It means all the elements which have similar valence shell electronic configuration, they are placed in the same group. All the elements of group first A, they have 1 electron in their valence shell. Similarly, elements of group second A, they have 2 electrons in their valence shell. Elements of group third A, they have 3 electrons in their valence shell. Elements of group fourth A, they have 4 electrons in their valence shell. Elements of group 5A have 5 electrons in their valence shell. Elements of group 6A have 6 electrons in their valence shell. Elements of group 7A, they have 7 electrons in their valence shell. And elements of group 8A, except helium, all the members they have 8 electrons in their valence shell. Elements having similar valence shell electronic configuration have been placed in the same group in the periodic table. We know chemical properties depends upon the valence shell configuration. So all the elements which are present in the same group of the periodic table, since they have similar valence shell electronic configuration, so they have same chemical behavior. Chemical properties depends upon the valence shell electronic configuration because all the elements of same group have same valence shell electronic configuration. That's why they have similar chemical properties. They are similar in their chemical behavior. Physical properties depends upon mass of atom as well as size of atoms. Since sizes of atoms gradually changes from top to bottom in any group of the periodic table, usually sizes of atoms increases as we move down the group. So there is a gradual change in the physical properties as we move from top to bottom in any group of the periodic table. While across the period, the number of electrons present in the valence shell increases from left to right. For example, lithium with atomic number 3, it has 1 electron in its valence shell. Beryllium has 2 electrons in the valence shell. Boron has 3 electrons in the valence shell. Carbon has 4 electrons in the valence shell. Nitrogen has 5 electrons in its valence shell. Oxygen has 8 electrons in its valence shell. Fluorine has 7 electrons in its valence shell, while neon has 8 electrons in its valence shell. It means as we move from left to right in any period of the periodic table, the number of valence electrons are gradually increases.